Dear students, in the last video we were discussing about the nomenclature of Fish heterocycles, and in that video we have seen that how the fused compound is dissected into two components, that is attached component and base component. Now the fourth rule for the nomenclature of each compound is that attached component named as prefix for the base component, and there is change in the terminal E of the tribal name or hence domain name of the attached component into O. For example, pyrazine is attached component, then the prefix will be pyrazino. If attached component is pyrazole, then the prefix will be pyrazolo. If attached component is thiazole, then the prefix for the name will be thiazolo. So in these examples we can see that this E or terminal E of the name of attached component is changed into O. Similarly, E changed into O, and in this E is changed into O. But there are some exceptions for this rule. For example, if attached component is pyridine, then according to rule the prefix will be pyridino, but it is pyrido. If attached component is quinoline, then the prefix according to rule must be quinolino, but it is quino. Similarly, if it is isoquinoline, then the prefix must be isoquino. If it is furane, then the according to rule prefix must be furano, but it is furo. Similarly, if it is thiophene, then the prefix will be pheno. If it is imidazole, then prefix must be imido. So these are some exceptions of the rule number 4. Now rule number 5. Base component is alphabetized in the italic form. For example, 1,2 bond of base component is written as A, 2,3 bond is written as B, 3,4 bond is written as C, 4,5 bond is written as D, and 5,1 bond is written as E. While the numbering of attached component is done as usual, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. following the lowest sum rule, which can be understood by following examples. If the fused heterocyclic compound is this, then it can be dissected into thiophene and furane. Thiophene is the attached component and furane is the base component according to rules. So this attached component can be numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, while this base component can be written as A for 1, 2 bond, B for 2, 3 bond, C for 3, 4 bond, D for 4, 5 bond, and E for 5, 1 bond. So common bond of attached component is 2, 3, while the common bond for base component is the B, and this common side is written in a square bracket just after the prefix. For example, attached component in this compound must be written as the prefix theno square bracket, these number of common bond 2, 3, and alphabet of this common bond B, furane. So the name of this fused heterocycles is theno square bracket 2, 3, B, furane. This is the common bond of both attached component and base component. Similarly, we can understand it by another example. So this compound can be dissected into these two components. This is pyridine and this is pyridine. Pyridine. So In this case, attached component is this pyrazine, while base component is pyridazine. So it can be numbered as A, B, C, D, E and F, while this can be numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the common bond of base component is C, while the common bond for attached component is 2, 3. This pyrazine can be written as prefix. So the name of this fused heterocycles will be pyrazino 2,3-C pyridazine. So these are two examples by which we can understand how the fused heterocycles are named. This is all in this video.